Welcome to our look at Switched On Schoolhouse French 2. The Alpha Omega Publications French language courses focus on a blend of French vocabulary, grammar, and sentence structure, conversational language instruction, and a study of the language, geography, and culture of France and other French-speaking regions of the world. Throughout the course, students will follow the adventures of Isabelle and David, two young students learning French in French-speaking countries all over the world. Alpha Omega's foreign language lessons offer text-based instruction, along with a wide variety of engaging multimedia presentations. Interactive audiovisual components are all designed to enhance the text-based instruction and build basic skills in reading, writing, hearing, and speaking the foreign language.
Bolivia,
The instructional
Paraguay,
methods employed in Alpha Omega
Argentina,
foreign language courses
Chile,
model and encourage correct pronunciation and language fluency, building good habits into students. Let's take a look at a lesson from French 2 that focuses on different types of stores in France. As we work through the lesson, we'll pay close attention to the instructional methods that are used to encourage mastery of lesson material. As an introduction to the lesson, a couple of listening exercises set up the scenario for the lesson, which continues the adventures of Isabelle and David, two young students as they learn to speak French in French-speaking countries all over the world. Let's listen to a portion of this audio presentation.
Elle vient de Californie. Mais, pendant cette année scolaire, elle fait un échange étudiant en France. Isabelle habite avec une famille d'accueil, les Martins. En ce moment, elle lit un mail de sa mère. La mère d'Isabelle est cajun et elle parle le français.
Pour mon anniversaire, je voudrais quelques souvenirs de France, s'il te plaît. Je voudrais du fromage français, du chocolat noir, des vêtements parisiens, des livres français.
The objectives for this lesson are identify the different types of stores in France and name the shopkeeper in each type of store. In this slideshow, the student is introduced to the different types of stores. For each slide, we can see a picture of the store, view information about it, and listen to the pronunciation for that store name. Let's look at a few of the slides.
Une boucherie.
Most lessons include Click Here links that enable a printable page that contains a list of French keyboard characters and a list of the lesson's vocabulary words. As they work toward mastery, it's important for students to quiz themselves as they work through the lesson material. The puzzle matching test is one type of review activity that is used throughout the French lessons.
une bijouterie,
In this activity, students move
poissonnerie,
puzzle pieces to match the French
librairie,
words for different store types with a photograph of each.
une fromagerie,
Let's move on to the next section in the lesson. This slideshow shows photos of a number of different shopkeepers and allows the student to hear how each name is pronounced, and also view the French term and the English translation for
Une
each.
bouchère.
un fromager, une fromagère,
A multiple choice review activity shown here provides students with another opportunity to review what they've learned. At the end of each section of the lesson, the student is presented with a series of questions that are designed to provide a review of lesson content. The answers will be saved and graded by the program as the student works through the questions. Let's take a quick look at this set of questions. Students will be looped back through the lesson to answer questions that were missed on the first attempt. The final section in this lesson provides a note card section. It contains an interactive list of vocabulary from the lesson. From this list, students can view photographs and listen to the pronunciation for many of the vocabulary words from the lesson. It is recommended that students maintain a collection of note cards for the vocabulary that they learn as they progress through the lessons.